Hello viewers, in this video we are going to open the door of the Nissan March K11. In this, you see it's junky like this. Right, one day my window got stuck in front of the police. I got a ticket. Is because of this motor. Right, let me explain a little bit about this engine. You have this is my right side window. If I press downwards, it means the window is going down. Upwards, the window is going up, down, down. Right, these are three other windows which I can control and lock them. This is the central lock. Unlocking this, we lock all the windows from within my car. Right, so these are two relays that controls all the functions. This engine is always on my side, right side. Now we have connected the engine. We want to test. The motor is now working after I have fixed it. If you see me pressing downwards, as you see in the video, right, see the window is hanged here, but now we want to replace or to put it back. This winding machine for my right hand side window. Look, this is where we place it, and we have to put some screws on those four areas. Once you take off these screws, then you are able to take this motor out. Right, this is the cable that connects to the battery. Now we are there to plug in or connect it so that our motor is going to start working, because it uses batteries, 12 volts. Right, it's easy to I've connected this machine. Now let's check the way how we lower down the window. Right, as you see, some of this you don't have to you have to stay tuned in the video to see some of the tricks, right, which we do in this windows. Right, we have opened the dashboard is red. Now we are pushing down the but the glass is not yet there. But if you want to remove the glass first, you remove the glass first. But if you want to remove it, this is the level where your glass is easy to be placed here or to be removed, because this glass it have two places where there is a bolt and nut. So you tie, these are the 2 points where you tie your glass on this metal. There are 2 holes, one on the left side and the other one on the right side, where you see, that's where the nut or the bolt goes in, and you then put the nut on the both sides, right? And once they are in, we then tie that nut as shown in the video. This tells us that the glass is tight, and it's when we press or raise the window, then that means this glass is going to go up as shown in the video. See what is happening there. The glass is going up, it's going up until it's closed, right? So we are retaining all the parts as shown in the video. We are now going to retain this cover, then so do not stuck or run out of ideas of when to say, how can I fix my window which got stuck? Maybe it's below the level that you want. So you have to follow this video to open, because it explains how to open the window or the door to reach the position of taking out the window.